Melvin Jerusalem, 27 wins and 3 losses versus Kosi, 9 wins and 2 losses. Ngayong October 29 na. Panoorin ho natin ang highlights nitong ating kababayan na si Melvin Jerusalem. Laban po nitong si Yuday. Yan ho, makikita ho natin yung talagang pareho yung mga manlalaro natin na talagang agresibo po. Parang mga spider na ho ang laban nila. Ayan ho, makita natin lamang yung ating boksingero dyan si Melvin Jerusalem. Lakas at tibay ng loob sa lakas ng suntok. Ayan, talagang
Very excited for this fight, so I have to prove myself that I am the champion. We are preparing very hard for this tournament. For me, when Uncle Prince said to me I was fighting for WBC, I'm no longer fighting in Emperor's Palace. At the same time, I was excited, yes, because I wanted to fight for WBC.
But I know this little guy next to me is going to win the world title against Melvin Jerusalem.
I'm 100% confident, and I'm sure I'm going to bring it home, that belt, and it's a must. I don't have a message for him, but I will give message in the ring.
And anybody that wants any big title, you're going WBC. And Siakowe Kusi is now getting that shot at Melvin Jerusalem that's eventually come through. And we're really, really excited. 29th of October, Thrill in Manila, Manny Pacquiao. I haven't met Pacquiao, by the way, either, and I've met everybody. So I'm very excited to meet Pacquiao.
You get man when you fight. You see, so that thing, to me, it was hard for me. Because in the family, they're looking for me, so I have nothing until I get fight. At least I have a sponsor. At least each and every month I give them money so they have something to eat, because they depend on the social drug money. So it was difficult to me even to go to the gym sometimes, thinking of what we're going to eat today. So today I'm not thinking about those things. At least I give them money to buy food, and then they use other money for rent to add food, more food in the house. I'm looking forward to see what is going to bring to me, but I'm not going to be scared of him. Me and Coach Fusi said we decide he teach me a lot of defense in the gym and how to counter punch coming forward opponent, to not moving too much in the ring, but beat the opponent. I think if you get money when you fight, you see, so that thing, to me, it was hard for me, because in the family they're looking for me, so I have nothing until I get fight. At least I have a sponsor. At least each and every month I give them money.
Panoorin po natin mga idol ang highlights po nitong si Kosi. Ito po yung makakalaban ng ating pambansang boksingero si Melvin Jerusalem, no? Yun nga, sa interview niya ay talagang excited siya sa laban na ito at pinaghandaan niya ng gusto. At kaya ng 100% po na ipapanalo niyang laban na ito, sabi po sa interview niya. Ito pong si Kosi ay may panalo na po itong siyam at mayroon siyang talo na dalawa. Knockouter din po ito, kaya hindi po talaga ito basta-bastang makakalaban ni Melvin Jerusalem. Ay talagang napaghandaan niya itong laban na ito, kaya magandang panoorin to. Kaya antabayanan po natin mga idol ang laban ng ating boksingerong si Melvin Jerusalem ngayong October 29 na po. Ito mga idol, panoorin din po natin ang highlights ng ating boksingerong si Melvin Jerusalem. Laban po ito kay Yuday. Ito parehong agresibo po itong mga boksingerong ito at parehong magaling. Talagang may laban po talaga. Pagkita ho natin para ho sila mga spider naglaban sa taas na rin. Kailangan hindi umubda itong si Yuday laban sa ating pambansang idol na si Melvin, dahil talagang paspasiro ho ito at posigido hong manalo talaga. Makikita ho natin dito sa round na ito mga idol. Huwag po kayo kukurap. May nangyayari talaga nito ngayon. Mayroon talagang tataob. Ayan, pinatigil pala. Ayan, Ayan, bumagsak. Tukod yung kamay. Talagang diyan po siya nagtatapos. Ayan, pero hindi pa rin sumuko sa round na yan. At ito naman po, ito po yung laban ni Luis Castillo po. Na isa po itong, ayan po, bumagsak agad. Ito po isang Meksikano po na pumunta dito sa Pilipinas po. Ang laban na po ito ay sa Mandaluyong po ito ginanap. Yan ho ay napataob ho dito yung Meksikano po, at kaya po nakikita ho natin na hindi ho tinigilan ng ating boxingerong si Melvin Jerusalem. Yan po, balak na ho tapusin kaagad yung laban na yan. Yan, nakaluhod na po yung Meksikano. At yan, babanatan pa yan. Yan. Oh, ayun, pinatigil na. Yan, end of round. Ito namang hong si Nahulwakoshi po. Ito po yung naka-red pants po. Magaling din ho siya mag-execute ng kanyang kamao, at sa tindig pa lang po makikita ho natin matibay din ho itong boxingerong ito. Dahil ho ay mayroon na itong panalong siyam at knockouter din po ito. 4 po yung tinalo nito via knockout, and then mayroon din siyang 2 losses po. Kaya hindi ho natin talaga man-underestimate itong boxingerong ito, dahil prosegido po itong manalo, at sinabi nga niya 100% yung confidence niya sa sarili niya. Kaya magandang laban to, mga idol, no? Ang laban naman nitong si Taniguchi, yan, at saka itong idol natin is Melvin. Talagang ayan, napataob ka agad, yan, 2 round lang po.